My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. I worked there for a decade. I was also a teaching instructor at IRS. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My hat's on straight. You know, my hat always looks crooked. I always think my hat looks on perfectly straight. I'm sorry. What can I do? Me and my M&M man give you a thumbs up. These YouTubes are quick, short, and they're to the point. And I want to tell you about the IRS substitute for return. If you haven't filed a tax return, IRS can go ahead and file your tax return under a code section. So I want you to know IRS goes ahead and files, believe it or not, 2.2 million substitute for tax returns a year. They actually collect, which is amazing. I looked up the data on this, $5.6 billion a year if you haven't filed your tax return. And it's the SRF program, or substitute for return. If you don't file, my hat, it just won't. See, I turn this way, it goes that way. So at the end of the day, what you have to do is, if you have this notice and IRS did a substitute for return for you, just file an original tax return all over again. That's all. I just file an original return. That's all you have to do. Basically, what IRS is saying is they have all these third-party documents, W-2s, 1099s, income sources, and guess what? You didn't file a return. So IRS's computer matches up your social security number and says, boom, there is no tax return. How do you fix it? File an original tax return, and it will readjust the substitute for return that IRS filed. The IRS files a substitute for return. They file single, no dependent, no exemptions. They give you the standard deductions, and you are screwed at the end of the day. So just go ahead and file a normal tax return, and they'll do the adjustment. If you're having a problem, give me a call. You have my number. Call your professional, but just file your tax returns. That's all you need to do. But listen, you better follow up on those, because if you don't, and IRS starts sending billing notices to collect it, even though if you know you're wrong, you can have money missing out of your bank account. IRS will take it, they'll levy your wages, and file a federal tax lien. Get those things filed. If you need a tax professional, give me a hit. Thank you for listening. Me and my M&M man, thumbs up.